lights are an absolute joke. Oh my god. Well, I caught these at the wrong moment, didn't I? You having a f***ing laugh? Why do they go twice and we go none? I'll tell you what, I'm going through you in a minute. I had this problem last time. You got to be f***ing kidding me. There's 3 times they've been. I'm gonna go any f***ing minute. Once they've gone red, I'm going. Yeah, you can f*** off. Not sitting there all f***ing day. F***ing lights are an absolute joke. Oh my god, that's somebody's f***ing cat in the road. Jesus Christ. Well, that's just ruined my day. Some poor bastards lost their pet. I could weep. Right, so I'm on my way to meet Exeter Rider again, and we're going to do much the same as we did with the Hornet. Just a quick chat and whatnot. Now, we were supposed to do this last Friday, but of course I had the old COVID, and it wasn't just a case of having the COVID, I was actually bedridden nearly, only for a couple of days. So we've managed to eke out a little bit of time this afternoon. So we'll be there shortly. And I'm also taking the opportunity to put the Garmin Zumo X20 not through its paces by any stretch of the imagination. I put the TomTom into hibernation. I'm pretty sure it was just battery, but you get no warning, and it was odd that it switched off, rebooted, came alive, and lasted from pretty much the outskirts of Weston to the next stop. So I don't want anything I can't rely on. Now I've got a Givi GPS bar coming, and that's on its way, and that will get mounted up there, and then in theory because I'm doing it, in theory that will get wired in to the auxiliary takeoff in behind the dash. Ooh. Here he is. Hello. Can't see the wheel. You alright, mate? Oh.
There you go, mate.
And you?
Thanks for
No, that's all right. Not at all.
Absolutely. When you rode up just now, I always preferred the white, and then I'm looking at that thinking, it's pretty slick. It's pretty slick. I don't know what one I don't think there's any wrong decision on that, is there?
I don't. Because I ordered the black one. They had a black demo. I was going to get a white one, but I saw the black demo and I saw it out there and I thought, oh, it looks really nice in black.
Yeah.
And so I ordered a black one.
I've only seen black ones, to be honest.
No, and then I went in again, and Pete Salesman had ordered a white one, the white one. And they had a white one in there waiting to go out, and I thought, well, it does look very nice. And so then I had the wobbles and I thought, have I ordered the right colour?
Yeah.
But I like the black. You know, as you say, I don't think you can get a wrong colour one.
No, I think they're both nice at the end of the day.
Yeah. Have you found a quick shifter on it? Any different to the? I don't know if you remember. Did you have one on the Hornet?
Yeah, I did.
You did, didn't you? Yeah.
Yeah. So I reckon. I think it might need lightening up. It feels lower speed. It feels a bit more jerky than the Hornet. I could be wrong.
See, it's weird. I found the complete opposite.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I found 35 mile an hour. You just, you know, obviously as long as you're not in second gear, you know, first or second gear.
Yeah.
It's fine. I found it really weird. To be honest, I think it's got more to do with chain tension than anything else.
Yeah, there's a lot going on in there to make that work properly. Just say something in a minute, Nick.
Yeah, I like the body pan on it, the belly pan. That looks quite good.
Right. Hi folks, Exeter Rider. Hope you're doing well. Now we're back again with Nick. You may remember had the Hornet, and I talked to him when he had the Hornet. Now let's start again. Hello folks, this is Nick iSteady on YouTube, and he's just brought the Transalp along today, along with my Transalp that I've borrowed from Honda. And you may remember him from the Hornet video that we made 4 months ago?
Yeah.
Somewhere around there, isn't it? Right, what I'll do is I'll get the camera and I'll bring it over. Oh, they're lined as well. Oh, got a bag inside the bag, yeah.
They're shad, so they're good quality, you know, little bag inside.
Yeah. What about a top box?
I didn't go with a top box.
And plans for next year? Have you got any big trips going on with it? Or?
Nothing next year. I'm going up to Manchester.
Yeah.
To do the Ring of Red.
Go out here, turn right, and I think this is just a nice long straight road. Basically, it'll go down to there's a junction at the other end, which takes you back out onto the main A3088 or whatever it is. But last time I think we went straight down there, and I think it's a junction that makes you want to turn that way, but then you can carry on straight on, and that'll take you back out towards the classic motorcycle place.
Oh yeah.
I'll just keep a steady pace anyway, so.
Yeah, that's great, mate.
Do you want to do any more? Do you want to go back that way? Do you want to go that way? Or have you...
Go back that way.
Go back that way? Nonetheless.
Yes, yeah. Because I would have loved to have been there when you tried the Hornet, because I know you went out for a test. Sorry, the Hornet, the Transalp, because you went out for a test ride.
I did, which was very unusual for me.
Yeah. And how long did it take you to decide, you know, that you thought, it's got to change the Hornet?
Probably by the time I got to the end of the road from the dealership. Yeah, so you can go back down to the junction, turn right, and it'll put you almost straight on the well, down to the roundabout, and then you're on your way home.
Roundabout, yeah. Okay, mate, that's fine. Thanks very much again, mate.
No, more than welcome.
I really appreciate it.
Nice to see you again, anyway.
Yeah, and you too. It's all the same, it's kind of work, isn't it? Feels like work, doesn't it?
Yeah. We'll go that way.
Oh, mate, I'll follow you.
Yep. That was a bit of a sudden stop.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it? Yeah. I thought you were having to go there. I'll do that, mate.
Well, famous last words, but I'm happy with the Transalp. Oh, I hope somebody's moved that cat. I really hope somebody's moved that cat. That poor little cat. They have. Right, well, I shall say toodaloo, tatty bye, ta for now, toodle pip, and we'll see thee anon.